Hello guys, today I'm gonna play a little bit of Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird. Don't kill me because I did not find the actual game, so let's try. People say it's frustrating. Let's see. Alright, I'll start it. Okay, so it's supposed to be a weird bird. Okay, all you have to do is jump. That's so freaking easy. Yeah, this game is easy. Flapping, flapping, flapping all along. Flapping, flapping, flappy bird I am. I just made a song out of this. This game is a very exciting one, and I'm not gonna lose this one, and I'm pretty sure of it. I got a medal, bro. Can you do that? I'm a Flappy Bird. I can defeat Goku and Vegeta. Jiren is nothing to me. Okay, it's going well till now. Just start singing and you'll get a new high score in this game. People say it's frustrating. It's so easy. Oh my god, I made it. Let's see if I can make it till 20. 25. Come on, I can do it. I can do it. Yes, I did it. 30 now. I'll try. Tell me your high score in this game.
Holy damn! Shit.
It's not frustrating at all. What? What the hell? Okay, this is ridiculous. I mean, I did 29 right now and I can't pass the first one. Yeah, finally. What is happening?
Freaking damn shit.
You, the Flappy Bird.
Fuck.
Hey.
Holy shit.
I'm doing mistakes right now. Alright. Okay, it's going fine now, finally. I've gotten back on track. No! तू पहले अपनी ad दिखा दे. Sorry, I spoke in Urdu for a second. I'm frustrated. Okay, got back on track. I got back on track. Alright, let's see if I can make it to 50. If 50, you guys